Let's play Space Invaders Deluxe. This is not MAME, this is my actual game. I went through this thing, I repaired the board, rebuilt the power supply, put new fuse holders in it and everything. Replaced the bulbs, the white black light bulbs, and all that good stuff. So, yeah. This game is really cool. I like this better than Space Invaders. It's got more to it. It's got the little cutscenes with the alien ship going up, and then it's got a little different stuff with multiplying aliens and stuff. It's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and, if I can, coin this up. There we go. And here we go. That was a weird sound. Straightened itself out though. Yeah, that's goofy. Something ain't right there. Could be just a reseating issue because this thing's been sitting for so long without being played. Because it seems to be fine. It's just a funky reseating thing, I think. Yeah, I'm dead. Damn it! This game's so frustrating. Out of gas. Oh, engine trouble. This game's hard. Uh-oh. Game over. It's pretty cool though. I mean, it's a hard game. It looks so simplistic, but it's not. Yeah, it's been sitting here for a long time, not being turned on, not being played, so I think it's just got some funky connection issues to work itself out. It works fine, you can see. So, well, let's try one more game while we got her going. I gotta fix this coin door. There we go. And get a drink of coffee real quick. And here we go. All right, shake the hand off. Get loosened up. I don't think I've ever got 5,000 points. Oh, come on. Okay. Oh, come on, I got it. Looks like the characters are getting too thin. Yeah, the monitor's squishing in too much, I think. Something weird's going on. It looks fine there. I don't know. It looks fine, I guess. Oh! Come on. Yeah, that's gonna do it. I cannot get to 5,000 points. This game is hard. I don't know. Anyway, there you have it. Space Invaders Deluxe. Yeah. Space Invaders Deluxe by Midway. Really cool game. Cool art, of course. There you guys go.